Hey, it's the toy park again, everyone. Today we're opening some nice eggs with princesses Cinderella and Rapunzel. This feels so light. Cinderella and a pink, very light egg. Just wondering, will there be stuff in there? It feels so light. Ooh, it's a badge. It's a Peppa Pig badge. And she is riding a bike. It's a nice Peppa Pig badge. And there is a little basket in front of her bike. The next egg. Green. Something is bouncing in there. Oh wow! The little surprises. And there is 2 of them. Let's see what's in this. Hey! It's squeakies, baby. It's very squishy. And let's see. This one. Squinkies. It's a little puppy. It's a nice yellow puppy for you, Cinderella. Oh, 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 oh. Oh, looks like she's very happy to be Cinderella's new pet. Okay. Rapunzel and her beautiful dress. Oh, this one sounds noisy. Oh, wow! It's a lovely Hello Kitty badge. Look, she's wearing a stripy shirt and she's wearing 3 ribbons. A purple one, pink one, and a green one. Wow! Lovely. Purple surprise egg. Oh, there are 2 squinky surprises. This one? Hey, it's another puppy. This time, it's green and it's sitting upright. Let's take a look at the one before. Now we have 2 Squinkies puppies. One for Cinderella and a green one for Repunzal. Oh, oh, oh! Looks like they're both very excited. Oh, wait, there's another one. It's another Hello Kitty badge. Maybe I can stick this on the wall. Oh wait, that's a big egg. Let's get 2 princesses to open them together. has a blue egg inside. Wow, there's another orange egg inside the blue egg. Oh, there's another blue egg inside the orange egg. Oh, wow. Hey, it's a picture frame with Cinderella's picture on it. Look, she looks beautiful in there, isn't she? Wow, Cinderella, you look amazing in that picture. Let's have a little walk with our puppies. We had orange, blue, a lighter blue, green, purple, pink, yellow, we had some nice surprises today. We had the picture frame, and Hello Kitty badge, Cinderella's puppy, Rapunzel's green puppy, it's Squinky baby, a Hello Kitty decoration, and a Peppa Pig badge. Rapunzel wants to have the Peppa Pig badge. And Cinderella wants the Hello Kitty badge. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching the toy park. Bye bye.